Hi, I'm Craig,
And I'm Rob.
and we're here today to talk to you about Spark Design Academy.
where you can learn from leading industry professionals.
Over the years, we've worked for a multitude of different brands at the very highest level, from global creative directors to VPs of design.
And an exciting part of the job for us has always been growing, mentoring and tutoring people as they develop their career and go on to greater things.
So with some of our courses, we're going to take you through what we've learned with things like how to do the perfect creative direction, how to present that creative direction, how to design football kits.
How to design outerwear.
And even international business, we feel there's a great opportunity for us to pass on some of our knowledge, to share with you a lot of the things that we had to learn along the way, so that you'll know what to look for to help accelerate your career through the fashion and sportswear industries.
So why don't you sign up today?
Let's do it, let's kick your career on.